Hey guys, at Hampden Park level crossing in East Sussex, Michael and Harvey. I'd actually like to make a statement quickly. As you know, sats are fastly approaching. So what I'm going to do is, like the week I do sat, I'm not going to upload any videos, and I'm not going to upload Saturday and Sunday before the sats week because I need to revise. So, yeah.
Oh, could be Hampden.
Oh man. Oh.
He's coming late.
Thank you guys for 6 subscribers. Yeah. And my cousin's got 22, so I'm saying thanks for like subscribing to him as well.
Oh, I knew it! I hate you!
What?
Oh, I'm going to look at the timetable. I got to have my
Oh! Misuse! Misuse!
Where?
A guy just went past, misuse!
What, the theatre?
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah, misuse.
Where? I was no, did
Yeah, that
it? It was handball.
yeah, still, it was misuse.
It's red lights you this shit. Oh, hangman! Hangman!
Hangman.
Oh my god!
He did the hangman!
Oh my Christ!
Oh, wait, down here.
Jesus. Bloody hell! I hope you put that camera, Michael. Michael,
Yeah.
you better call that camera.
I don't think I did, guys. Don't tell him that.
Bloody hell! What calls that?
Don't tell him that.
Jesus!
I don't think I've recorded it, guys. Don't tell him that.
That's pretty much a shot.
Yeah, I don't think I've recorded it, guys.
First allowed
Alright.
a lot. First allowed a lot. Now it's. Oh, why is it getting stuck? Guys, we've got fair and fake coming later. Which
I would like to concern you, but I don't think I actually recorded that.
Huh?
I don't think I recorded it.
At this point, I hope hangman not so go down it bang.
377474.
Oh, yeah, go quick. Get away from that.
3774.
474.
377474.
Next train, next will be enough. What, 3 or 3?
And up they go.